Hello everyone, this is Mike with ShadowTrader. Again with a gold chart here. I did a short on this last time. We're looking primarily at the silver potential breakout, which is still working itself out. But I'm coming back to this gold chart because of what I see going on here. Now here's our move up off the major highs here, blowing through this on the weekly scale. And as we start zooming in here, what I'm watching is, here's our move. And now we have this bull flagging type pattern. It's not a clear parallel line bull flag like you can see sometimes, but it is flagging. And it's not that often you see a descending triangle perched right on top of a major move like that. But it doesn't necessarily mean that it's going to resolve to the downside here. It has tried to move down, you can see here a couple times. And even though it still could touch the line and resolve to the downside, what has me curious is the fact that in the context, we have the breakout in the move. So this, to me, suggests that this is a flagging pattern, and the odds are for a continuation, especially when we see a line like this. I often say to everyone in the room when we're trading together that a trend line is made to be broken. And this could be one of those lines. If we look at this a little bit closer there, let's go to the 1 hour. And we can see that the data shows us that here's the attempts to go lower, and now we're trying to climb back up. Now the Fed announcement tomorrow could mess this chart up and make it impossible to trade. I recognize that that is something that we're facing tomorrow, which could happen and make this impossible really to trade safely with low risk. But I thought it would still be good to point this out. And here, let's look at the futures contract here real quick. Slightly different scenario. I'm going to go back out to a daily chart on this. Well, let's just go to a 4 hour. We have this line right here, which is the previous high. And then we also, the green line, and we also have this weekly line coming up through which price is trying to resolve as well. But here's the flagging pattern as it shows it on the continuous contract. And this line to me is begging to be broken. So again, whether or not the Fed announcement tomorrow makes this possible to trade or not is still yet to be seen. Or if there's an overnight entry on a low risk structure within this, I don't know yet. But the overall pattern is bullish, and depending on how you trade, what instrument you use, options or whatever, there is some potential here, and I want to be involved in this if I can. So I wanted to share that with you today. It's such a great structure with such good potential. I didn't want to not at least point this out, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So be safe, and we'll see what goes on.
Hi, my name is Mike with the ShadowTrader SquawkBox. I'd like to invite you to join me in the trading room where we study charts together, search out good trade ideas, and we spend quite a bit of time talking about what it takes to get along successfully in this journey that we are all on. Oh, by the way, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below if you enjoyed this video today. And as we always say here at ShadowTrader, I wish you good trading, and I'll see you in the room.